Hello students, I am again here to continue my class. Topic you already know, force and pressure. Previous video we have discussed pressure exerted by liquid. Now today we will continue. Liquids exert equal pressure at the same depth. Liquid exerts equal pressure at the same depth. In our previous video we had seen different depth, different pressure. But today with the help of this figure you can understand. Here I have taken one container filled with water and two equal depth we have taken to mark the hole at the equal depth, and you will find the water sprinkle is coming out. The distance from the container is same, x and x. It means equal depth, equal pressure. A liquid exerts pressure in all the directions, even upwards. Liquid exerts not only pressure on the walls or bottom, but it also in upward direction. It means in all the directions liquid exerts pressure. Pressure exerted by gases. Now after pressure exerted by liquids, we continue pressure exerted by gases. Gases such as, some gases, I have written the formula here. H2 stands for hydrogen, He helium, O2 oxygen, N nitrogen, CO2 carbon dioxide, etc. All these are the gases. All exert pressure on the walls of the containers. All these gases exert pressure, equal pressure in all the directions on the walls of the container in which they are kept. Air exerts pressure in all the directions. All these gases mix together to form air. So in place of gases, it is better to continue with air. Air is a gas. So come to here, air exerts pressure in all the directions with the help of tiny particles called molecules. Air has tiny particles, and these tiny particles have their weight, and due to that weight they exert pressure, and these particles are known as molecules. Point number 1, when air is filled into a balloon, if you used to fill a balloon air, what happens? It gets inflated due to air pressure. It gets inflated equally from all the sides because air exerts pressure in all the directions, equal pressure, and balloon gets inflated. It is due to air pressure. Point number 2, similarly bicycle tubes, you have seen bicycle tubes. At one point you are applying to fill the air, but complete bicycle tires gets inflated equally. Now vehicles tires, you have seen vehicle tires, when air is filled the vehicle tires gets inflated. It is due to air pressure. Football you have used, etc. get inflated due to the air pressure. All these bicycle tubes, vehicle tires, football, balloon, all these get inflated due to air pressure. Pressure exerted by air. There is a note you should go through. Pressure exerted by air is due to the motion of the molecules present. It means molecules present in the air all are in the motion, and due to that motion and all have weight, that's why they produce pressure. Now after this come to atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, pressure exerted by atmosphere. And we all know what is atmosphere. The layer of air above the earth is called atmosphere. We have many gases in the atmosphere up to 300 km height from the earth's surface. You will find there is a air, gases, layer of air. So the layer of air above the earth is called atmosphere. Point number 2, this pressure is due to the weight of the air present in the atmosphere above us. Above us air is present, and air have molecules and they have weight, and that weight is putting the pressure, exerting the pressure. Point number 3, this pressure also acts in all the directions. This pressure also acts in all the directions. Weight means force exerted per unit area by the air is defined as atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? It is the force exerted per unit area by the weight of the air is defined as atmospheric pressure. We also feel atmospheric pressure on our head. Go through this figure. You can see there is a boy, and these are the air column. Air column above our head, they exert pressure over our head. This is nearly 250 kg. It is since our birth there is a pressure, but we can't feel this pressure, this weight of air pressure, because our body also exert equal pressure to cancel this outer pressure. That's why we don't feel the atmospheric pressure above our head. So these are atmospheric pressure. On the whole, you have to go through, learn, memorize, and try to understand. Come to one more time. Liquids exert pressure. Already we are continuing this one. At the same depth, here same depth, same pressure. Pressure exerted by gases. Gases also exert pressure. Likewise, liquids. Some gases I have written here. The total gases mixed together to form air. So now we will continue in place of gases with air. Air exerts pressure. Why is exerts pressure? Here it is written, and these are the examples of air pressure. Bicycle tubes, vehicles, tires, football, balloons, all these get inflated due to air pressure. Now, atmospheric pressure due to the layer of air above our head, it also exerts pressure, that is atmospheric pressure. So up to whole you have to go through, continue. We will continue our next video. Before that, I want to tell you one thing. I'll give you a few minutes to note down all these things. You can see clearly and then note down. Please note down. I hope you have understood, and you will note down all these things in your notebook copy, and we will again continue atmospheric pressure, its applications and its effects, and some numericals related to this chapter. Till then, thank you.